The global spread of COVID-19 affects everyone. People all over the world are naturally concerned about their health and livelihood, and we share that concern. We are in the midst of the outbreak in many parts of the world, and a second and third wave cannot be ruled out. The pandemic also impacts IKEA. This is the biggest challenge we faced in modern times, and our priority is the safety and well-being of our co-workers, suppliers, partners and customers. We also support communities in the areas where we operate to the best of our ability. Even if the outbreak calls for urgent and sometimes painful decision, it is important to not lose sight of our long-term commitments. We know from our past that challenges can and will be turned into opportunities and drive change to the better. Now is the time to also look ahead and lay the groundwork for a positive recovery for people, society and the planet. Business and people, they go hand in hand, and we now have the opportunity to step by step find new creative ways to go back to business in an even better way. The outbreak has not made the global warming to go away, and it also risks to put millions of people back into poverty. Now, more than ever, we determine to be a positive force in society. With our size and global reach, IKEA can play an important role, and we will continue to contribute to help those worst affected. We will also continue our efforts to become circular and climate positive by 2030 and make healthy and sustainable living affordable to the many people. A more modern, inclusive and circular economy built on renewable energy will increase our resilience and be the way forward. We will engage and collaborate with other industries, policymakers, businesses, experts and NGOs in communities and across borders to turn the challenges into opportunities and strive for a positive recovery. Our vision, culture and values will guide us, and we will always continue to do what's in the best interest of the many people.